31. Let us start. Meanwhile, if anybody comes, we will admit. Chalo. Start this. The value of the value of, see, first I will give the question, then I will discuss. The value of B division, roll number 13, Parth Joshi. Yes. Start solving this. The value of minus 14 plus 50 is, the value of minus 14 plus 50 is, options are A, you have to pick the correct option, is minus 36, B 26, C plus 36, D minus 26. You have to solve this and pick the correct answer. Second, the value of we'll discuss that. First you solve. The value of minus 9 minus 4, absolute value. This is known as vertical bracket is absolute value bracket. Remember, is A minus 5, B 5, C 13, and D is 8. Absolute value of 9 minus absolute value of minus 4. Okay, you have to simplify. Then third, minus 15 plus dash is equal to 8. Find the value of dash, question mark. A 13, B 7, C 23, D minus 20. So start 1, 2, 3. Start 1, 2, 3. Start 1, 2, 3. The value of minus 14 plus 50 is the value of mod of, this is absolute value. Absolute value of any number is always positive. Whether number is negative or whether number is positive, it's absolute value. Absolute value of any negative number is also positive. So solve this. 3. Roll number B division, roll number 16 division B. So B 16, D 27, B 13. These three are present students. B division roll number 16, B division roll number 27, and B division roll number 13. These three are present students. Solve this. Now first all of you tell me the answer of first. B division 16. 1 minute. B division 16. What is your answer? No, what is your answer of first? B division 16 roll number. What is the answer? Minus 36. Let us see the other answer. We don't know. Then B division roll number 13. What is your answer? B division roll number 13. My dear, you are present. You have to reply. Then let me mark upside. You are not responding means you have just joined and left. B division roll number 30. D division roll number 27. What is your answer? D division 27. What is your answer? You have joined and you have left. This is just like that. So it is better I should mark B division. B division 13. What is your answer? Let us see the answer of first. Answer is not minus 36. See how. Minus 14 plus 50. Yes, Ashok, you tell me. What is sign of 14? Minus. What is sign of 50? So whether they have same sign or opposite sign? Minus, how same? Minus and plus opposite sign, no? So now you tell how? Now you tell me whenever they have opposite sign, what you will do? Opposite sign, what you will do? You will subtract smaller number from bigger number and take the sign of bigger number. So 50 minus 14 is 36. Now which number is bigger? 50 or 14? What is sign of 50? Plus. So answer is plus 36 or 36. So it is not minus 36. So answer is 36. You told me the answer minus 30. Answer is plus 36. Plus 36. C is the correct option. Go for next. Go for next. Second one. Absolute value. Absolute value of 9 minus absolute value of minus 4. So remember. Yes, tell me the answer. What is the answer? Roll number B, roll number 13. Answer is 5. Okay, let us check the answer. Roll number 13 division B. You respond. B division roll number 13. What is the answer? D division 27. What is the answer? My dear, you have to respond. Whether it is correct or incorrect does not matter. Let us see the answer. Absolute value of any negative integer is also positive. So absolute value of 9 will be 9. Then minus sign is outside. What is absolute value of minus 4? Absolute value of minus 4 will be 4. So 9 minus 4 is 5. So the correct answer is 5. Yes. You gave the correct answer, 5. Now go for third. How 7, my dear? No, the answer is not 7. How answer is 7? Work out. You can consider this as x and simplify. It will not be 7, my dear. If you are telling me 7 means you are doing a magic. You are not doing mathematics. So, work out. This number we have to find. So minus 15 plus x is equal to 8. Now pay attention here. Before equal to, it is my left hand side. After equal to, it is my right hand side. And whenever you change the side, sign changes. Plus become minus, minus become plus, multiplication become division, division becomes multiplication. Now this is minus 15. When I will take minus 15 on the right hand side, it will become plus 15. So what you will get? You will get x is equal to 8 plus 15. Now you tell me what is sine of 8? What is sine of 8? 8 has no sign, means plus sign. And what is sine of 15? Plus. So plus means same sign. So whenever they have same sign, what you will do? You will add the number. Same sign means add the number. So 15 plus 8, 23. What is common sign? Plus plus. Yes. Minus 15 of left hand side I have taken on the right side. Minus 15 will become plus 15. And now sine of 8 is, yes. Sine of 8 is plus, sine of 15 is plus. Plus same sign. Whenever you have same sign, you have to add the number and take the common sign. 15 plus 8 is 23. Plus common sign is plus. So plus 23. Plus 23 is same as 23. Okay. Minus 15 I have written, my dear. But minus 15 is on left hand side. That minus 15 I am taking on the right side, my dear. So minus 15 on the right hand side will become plus 15. Remember this, you will not take minus 15 only. Whenever you change the side, before equal to left hand side, after equal to right hand side, minus 15 is on left hand side. When you will take minus 15 on the right hand side, it will become plus 15. Now sine of 8 is plus, sine of 15 is plus, same sign. Whenever you have same sign, you have to add the number and take the common sign. 8 plus 15 is 23. Plus common sign is plus 23 is same as 23. Yes, doubt is clear? Minus 15 I have taken it on the right hand side, it will become plus 15. Yes, clear doubt? Yes, tell me, doubt is clear? Yes, Ashok Mali, doubt is clear? Okay, so don't do that mistake again. Okay? So let us give you more problem. So these three I have discussed. Let me give you more problem. Then fourth one, the value of the successor of 99 multiplied with predecessor of 11 is option A 890, option B 990, option C 1000, option B 100. Chalo, work out. The successor of 99 multiplied with predecessor of 11. Fifth question. The face value of digit 3 and the place value of digit 7 in the number 8, 6, 7, 5, 3 is the face value of digit 3 and the place value of digit 7 is A 307, B 703, C 730, D 370. Chalo, work out. Yes. Others also give the response. Give the answer of fourth. Chalo. What is the answer of fourth? Huh? 1000. Fourth answer is 1000. Okay. Let us see the fourth answer. What about others? Roll number B, roll number 13, division B. What is the answer? Yes, Sia. What is the answer? Or you have just joined, you are not giving the response, my dear. This is the remedial class. This is the remedial class. You have to give the answer. हाँ चलो. Ashok Mali, you tell me how you have done that. Fourth one. Successor of 99. What is successor of 99? Successor means you add 1. So you will get 100. Okay. Then multiplied with predecessor of 11. For predecessor we subtract 1. 11 minus 1. That is 10. 100 into 10 is 1000. 100 into 10 multiplied, no? So what is the correct answer? Correct answer is 1000. Now go for next, fifth one. $703. Let us see. The face value of the any digit remains same. Face value of digit 3 will be 3 only. Okay? And the place value of digit 7. 7 is at which place? Ones, tens, 100. So what is the place value of 7? That is 700. Now you add this. So 3 plus 0, 3, 0, 703. 703 is the correct answer. The correct answer is 703. Okay? The correct answer is 703. Let us see another one. Let us see the another one. हाँ 6B roll number 13. What you want to say? Okay. चलो ठीक है. Now sixth one. 15 plus dash is equal to minus 12. The answer are A option, 27, B minus 27, C 3, D minus 3. Give the answer. Now let me take one problem from fraction also. Okay. Minus 27. Yes, let other also calculate. Then we will tally. Let other also calculate. Now 5 upon 7 is equal to box upon 35. So you have to fill the box. A 15, B 25, C 5 and D 45. 8. Okay. 4 upon 9 is equal to 12 upon dash. Options are 17, B 27, C 37, D 47. D 47. Yes, get the answer fast. Get the answer of this. One by one. Roll number 13 division B. What is the answer of 6th? Roll number 13 division B. What is the answer of 6th? Yes, Ashok Mali. What is the answer of 6th? Minus 27. Let us see how that minus 27 has come. So minus 15. 15. 15 plus dash. Dash we consider x is equal to minus 12. Okay. So this we have seen. Before equal to it is my left hand side. After equal to it is my right hand side. And whenever we change the side, sign changes. So this 15 of left hand side, it is plus 15. I will take it on the right hand side. It will become minus 15. So minus 12, minus 15. Check whether they have same sign or opposite sign. What is sign of 12? Minus. Sign of 15 minus. So they have same sign. So whenever they have same sign, you have to add the number. 12 plus 15 is 27. And take the common sign. Common sign of minus minus is minus. So answer is minus 27. So very good, Ashok Mali. You gave the correct answer, minus 27. Very good. Sixth answer is? Next one, what is the answer? 25. Chalo, roll number 27, division D. What is your answer? Roll number 27, division B. My dear, this is remedial class. You have to give the answer. You cannot run away from interaction. 5 upon 7 is equal to dash upon 35. 5 upon 7 is equal to dash upon 35. Yes, tell me the answer. I am waiting for your answer. Yes. 25. See, let us see how that 25 has come. So this is 5 upon 7 is equal to dash upon 35. Okay. So denominator, if you see the denominator, 7 becomes 35. When 7, so that means this 7 I have multiplied 5. So numerator also you multiplied 5. 5 5s are 25. So the correct answer is 25. Option B. Option B is the correct answer. Now do next one. 8th one. Do 8th one. Yes. You cannot run away from the answers. Do 8th one. Ah, 4 upon 9 is equal to 12 upon dash. Options are 17, 27, 30. Yes, tell me the answer. I am waiting for the answer. Yes. 27. 27. Okay, let us see. Let us see how 27. 4 upon 9 is equal to 12 upon dash. If you see the numerator, 4 becomes 12. That means 4 I have multiplied with 3. So denominator I will also multiply 3. 9 3 is 27. So the correct answer is plus 27. The correct answer is 27. Very good. Some of you give the correct answer. So the answer is plus 27. So you should not feel scared. I am not going to scold anybody. Our work is to encourage, to resolve the difficulties. That's all. So do not hesitate in giving the wrong answer also. You can give me wrong answer. I will accept it. Okay. Then ninth one. 2 is to 5 upon 7. 2 is to 5 upon 7 is equal to dash. Options A is 5 upon 7, B is 19 upon 7, option C is 37 upon 7, and option D is 18 upon 7. Mixed fraction, you have to convert that into fraction. Then 10th one, 21 upon 4 is equal to dash. Option A, 1 is to 5 by 4, B, 5 is to 1 by 4, C, 4 is to 1 by 5, D, 1 is to 4 by 5. Choose the correct answer. Mixed fraction you have to convert into fraction, into improper fraction. So you have to multiply and add. Then improper fraction you can convert into mixed fraction by division. So first you have to identify the type of fraction. 9th one is mixed fraction and 10th one is improper fraction. Why we say improper? Because numerator is greater than denominator. Numerator is greater than denominator. Tell me the answer. (18 upon 7) is absolutely wrong answer. Wrong answer. Tell me the answer. 19 upon 7 is absolutely correct answer. 19 upon 7. 19 upon 7 is absolutely correct answer. How see this? My dear, 2 is to 5 by 7. You have to multiply 7 to 2. So that is 7 into 2. Then after multiplication you have to add 5. So plus 5. Upon denominator is 7. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 5 upon 7. 14 plus 5 is 19 upon 7. So the answer is 19 upon 7. Do next one, 21 upon 4. Convert that into mixed fraction. Do it fast. What is the answer? B. Okay, 5 is to 1 by 4. You are telling me 5 is to 1 by 4. Yes, this is the absolute correct answer. Because 21 by 4. So we divide 21 by 4. So that is 4 5s are 20. Then remainder is 1. So this we write 5 is to 1 by 4. 5 is to, this 5 is to, remainder will go up. 5 is to 1 by 4. 5 is to 1 by 4. Okay, so in examination also you will get these type of problems only, nothing new. Then the equivalent fraction of 11th one. The equivalent fraction of write on this, right? Not equivalent. The lowest term of the fraction, 16 by 56 is A 7 by 2, B 2 by 7, C 3 by 4, D 4 by 8. The lowest term of the fraction is, how you find the lowest term? You have to cancel the common factor of numerator and denominator. Cancel the common factor of numerator and denominator, you will get lowest term. Okay. Okay, so do it.